So, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, welcome back once again to the online classes. So, what we are dealing now is the equation of tangent and normal. Tangent ಮತ್ತು normal properties ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. In this session, we shall look at one more important type of problems for the annual examination. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇದೆ. I will give the problems. You want to find the equation of all lines. Equation of all lines having the slope 2 and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 is equal to 0. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. And slope minus 1 being tangent to y is equal to 1 by x minus 1 and slope 0 tangent to y is equal to 1 by x minus 3 and so on. And now we shall solve one by one. Preferably, I will take the first problem first. Okay? Try ಮಾಡೋಣ. Observe this following. So first problem. So what is the given curve? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ curve ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Given curve is y plus 2 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the curve. First ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will find the tangent to this and equate the slope to 2, find the values of x and then find the values of y, get those values, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ equations of tangents ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's all. Okay? Shall I solve those things? Therefore, the value of y is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? Call this as equation 1. Differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So your dy by dx is equal to minus 2 into differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Look at this. I will take this. In the differentiation of which is in the form of 1 by x should be is equal to minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of 1 by x ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? This is always be is equal to minus 1 by x square. Remember this is it. So what is the differentiation of minus 2 ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1 by x minus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ? minus 1 divided by x minus 3 whole square. Correct? So your dy by dx should be is equal to minus of minus 2 divided by x minus 3 whole square. So what is slope of the tangent? Therefore, slope is equal to dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. So this will become 2 divided by x1 minus 3 whole square. So here replace x by x1 and y by y1. Why illali? Replace x by x1 to get 2 divided by x1 minus 3 whole square. Got it? Now shall I continue? But, so what is this slope? Slope is given to be 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Correct ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? Slope 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು slope, ಇದು slope. I want to equate those two. Definitely 2 divided by x1 minus 3 whole square should be is equal to 2 by 1. Anything is said. So if I equate that, this will become x1 minus 3 whole square should be is equal to 1. 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? Denominator equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Numerator already equal ಆಗಿದೆ. So I can equate the denominator. x1 minus 3 whole square should be is equal to 1. So what is x1 minus 3? Should be is equal to plus or minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Square root ತಗೊಂಡು. So definitely x1 minus 3 should be is equal to plus 1 ಅಥವಾ x1 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Equate that. So x1 is equal to 1 plus 3 ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಅಥವಾ x1 is equal to minus 1 plus 3 ಅಂದರೆ plus 2. So these are the values of x1 I am getting, right? Shall I find y1? Okay. At x1 is equal to 4. at x1 is equal to 4. What will becomes y1? y1 is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 3. 4 minus 3 should be is equal to minus 2. Correct? Indicate 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus 2 by 1 is minus 2. So the first set of point is x1 comma y1. That should be is equal to 4 comma minus 2. Shall I find the second point now? At x1 is equal to, which is one more point, 2. What will becomes y1? Minus 2 divided by 2 minus 3. So y1 should be is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 1 cancel agutte plus 2 matra undirutte. So your second point is x1 comma y1, that should be is equal to 2 comma 2. So namage points gotaito, slope gotide, right? And you should remember it was given that slope of the tangent is 2. Slope of the tangent is 2 anta. Now I want to find the tangents. Better thing to find the required equation of line is that. Therefore, your required equation of line is this is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus of x1. This is the equation. Equation I want to substitute x1 y1 and as well as m substitute ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's all. Very simple logic. Therefore, at ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗೋ 4 comma minus 2 at 4 comma minus 2 and m is equal to 2, slope is equal to 2. Equation is performed. So y1 is minus 2 becomes plus 2 is equal to m is 2 into x minus x1, x minus 4. Simplify this to get the first equation. So y plus 2 should be is equal to 2x minus 8. Rearrange the equations in the form of ax plus by plus a equals 0. So first 2x bariri plus 2 shift adaga minus y minus 8 minus 2 and minus 10 is equal to 0. This will be the first equation of line. Module equation of line. I want to find one more equation. Right? At second point 2 comma 2 and slope is 2. At 2 comma 2 and slope is 2. E point will calculate. So what is the equation? Y minus y1 under 2 is equal to m into x minus x1 under 2. Simplify this. Y minus 2 should be is equal to 2x minus 4. Simplify madla. So 2x plus 5 shift adaga minus 5 minus 4 minus 2 shift adaga plus 2 is equal to 0. Shall I simplify to get the final answer? 2x minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. This will be the second equation of line which will pass us through the point 2 comma 2 and m is equal to 2. So now these are the two equations of lines. What we want to obtain? Find the equation of lines at the last. Iveradu saha equations of lines agile. For which the slope is 2 and tangent recur y plus 2 y plus 2 by x minus 3 equals 0. Alright? Read on this and I will solve the second one. But the first one. Well, let me to look at one more problem. Another problem check ಮಾಡಿ. So what is the given equation of curve? Second problem. What is the given equation of curve? First put the equations ಬರೀರಿ. Given curve ಅಥವಾ equation of curve is y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Y is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. Shall I find slope? Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to, got it now, right? What is the differentiation of 1 by x? Is minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 is minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. Simple. Now this is equation 1. What is equation 1 now? At x1 comma y1. At x1 comma y1. The slope m should be is equal to minus 1 divided by x1 minus 1 whole square. Correct? But what is the slope given? Slope is given to be minus 1. Slope ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? minus 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But slope of the curve m should be is equal to minus 1. Okay? Therefore, minus 1 divided by x1 minus 1 whole square should be is equal to minus 1 divided by 1. I am equating slope with the slope of the tangent. Therefore, the denominator x1 minus 1 whole square should be is equal to 1. Let's simplify this. x1 minus 1 should be is equal to plus or minus 1. So x1 minus 1 should be is equal to plus 1 अथवा x1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 आएगा. Simplify this. x1 is equal to plus 1 under plus 2 or x1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 under 0. These are the two values of x1 I am getting now. Now I should find the y1. What is y? But the value of y is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 here. It is what the equation. Now at the point 2 and 0, I want to find y1. Clearly, when the value of x1 is equal to 2, when the value of x1 is equal to 2, what is the value of y1? So value of y1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1. x1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 1. 1 by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. So the first point x1 comma y1 ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ? 2 comma 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Shall I find second point now? It is very clear that when x1 is equal to 0, second point, when x1 is equal to 0, what will happen to y1? y1 is equal to 1 divided by 0 minus 1 is 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. So the second point is 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1. Now let me to have the equation of lines at this point now, right? So what is the required equation? For all the things, the required equation of line is always in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. At those points now, right? A point ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Therefore, at ಮೊದಲನೇ point ಅದು 2 comma 1 and m is equal to 1. ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೊಡೋದು. Slope is equal to minus 1. At m is equal to minus 1. Let me to find the line. Therefore, y minus y1 under 1, m is minus 1, x minus x1 is 2. Got it? So shall I simplify this? Y minus 1 is equal to minus x, minus of minus plus 2. Rearrange that equation. Minus x, let's just write it. Plus x, plus y, minus 1, minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I am getting the first equation of line. So the first equation of line is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This will be the first equation of line. Got it? So shall I take one more equation? You know the equation will be like at what is the second point now? 0 comma minus 1 and slope is equal to minus 1. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ let me to find the equation of line. Therefore y1 is minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. M is minus 1 into x minus x1 is 0. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Y plus 1 should be is equal to minus x minus of minus plus 0. Write the text to the LHS and get the final answer. So minus x LHS ಬಂದಾಗ plus x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be the second equation of line. Remember, these two are the equations of lines what you are obtaining for the given problem. So procedure ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭ. First differentiate ಮಾಡಿ, equate to the slope, find the 2 points. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ equation ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Very simple, right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Read on this and I will look for the one more problem. Okay, now I will solve one more problem. One problem solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You want to do one more problem as a homework, right? ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದು problem solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will take up the last one now. ಕೊನೆಯ problem ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. And the third problem will be very simple to you. Okay? Given problem number 4 here, right? So what is the given equation now? Y is equal to 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3. Differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square into differentiation of the term inside the bracket into differentiation of x square minus 2x plus 3. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. It's a composite function, of course. Okay, chain rule use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ. So your dy by dx should be is equal to, what is differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2, differentiation of 3 is 0 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Correct enough? At x1 comma y1. At x1 comma y1. So your dy by dx should be is equal to, dy by dx should be is equal to 2x1 minus 2 divided by x1 square minus 2x1 plus 3 whole square. But what is the condition given? But remember, the slope should be is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಬಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ 2x1 minus 2 divided by x1 square minus 2x1 plus 3 whole square should be is equal to 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ನ 0 by 1 ಅಂತ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2x1 minus 2 minus 2 should be is equal to, anything into 0 will always be 0. So what is 2x1 minus 2 equals 0? Definitely 2x1 minus 2 is equal to 0. This will implies 2x1 is equal to 2, implies x1 is equal to 1. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, x1 is equal to 1. So at this point I want to find y1. Okay. At x1 is equal to 1. Shall I substitute y? Y is equal to 1 divided by 1 square is 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 3. Correct? Simplify this. Y is equal to 1 divided by 3 plus 104. 4 minus 202. So we got the point x1 comma y1. Therefore, the point x1 comma y1 should be is equal to 1 comma 1 by 2. 1 comma 1 by 2. So, shall I write the required equation? The required equation of line is always in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus of x1. Right? So, at the point 1 comma 1 by 2 and slope 0 and m 0, I want to find the equation. Therefore, y minus y1 is 1 by 2 equals m is 0 into x minus 1. x1 under 1. Remember, RHS 0 into anything is always 0. So remember, y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Then LCM and simplify. 2y minus 1. 2y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Got it? So cross multiply and final answer. 2y minus 1 should be is equal to 0. This will be the equation of line for the last condition. Hope you can solve the third problem. More the problem solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is very easy for you people. Quadratic equation illa. Remember 1 by x minus 3 get differentiation minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square equals 0. And then you can solve to get the equations now, right? Try ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? Hope this will be the sufficient in this session, and I will continue the problems on different pattern in the next session. Okay? Thank you. Solve it.